Hello everyone, I am Anshuman Modak from MDB Electrosoft Private Limited. We make you technically confident. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं नए प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में. नए प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है बस सीट वैकेंसी डिटेक्शन. In this video we will be talking about the introduction, components we are going to use in this project, and then we will move on towards the block diagram and working. Let's start with the introduction. इस प्रोजेक्ट में हम ऐसा डिवाइस डिज़ाइन करने वाले हैं which will be able to detect vacant seats and booked seat in a public transport vehicle, and this data will be displayed on a LCD live at the bus or live at the vehicle, and the same data will also be visible on application which will be on the cell phone or any kind of internet device. Let's move on towards the components. Here we will be using NodeMCU because we are using IoT. Then as sensors we are going to use infrared sensor to detect vacant and booked seat status of the seats. Then we are using a I2C LCD. Let's move on towards the block diagram. As can be seen in the block diagram, we are using NodeMCU as our main controller board. NodeMCUs come in two varieties. First is 8266 and second is 32S. Based on the requirement, we can use any one of those. In this project, we would be using the 32S because we need multiple analog pins. Then we are having multiple range of IR sensors or multiple number of IR sensors. Each IR sensor will be associated with a seat of the vehicle. यानी कि हर एक IR sensor एक seat के साथ connected रहेगा into the vehicle. Each IR sensor will tell the status of each seat. लाइक जैसे कि यहाँ पर IR सेंसर 1 हमें फर्स्ट सीट का स्टेटस देगा, IR सेंसर 2 हमें सेकेंड सीट का स्टेटस देगा, IR सेंसर नंबर 3 हमें थर्ड सीट का स्टेटस देगा, सेम एज IR सेंसर 4 हमें फोर्थ सीट का स्टेटस देगा कि ये सीट बुकड है या नहीं. देन वी आर हैविंग I2C LCD. एज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन आवर मल्टीपल वीडियोज अर्लियर, why we use I2C LCD in case of NodeMCU. As we have already discussed that NodeMCU have very limited amounts of pin. That's why we can't interface a NodeMCU directly with the LCD because we need other pins to connect to our sensors. So we use a I2C module which helps us reduce the number of pin requirement to interface a LED. As we will be required more than 8 pins to interface a normal LCD, we can interface the LCD by just using 4 pins. Then let's move on towards the working. As we have connected each sensor to a seat, the sensor will continuously keep updating the status of seat or checking the status of seat. If the seat is taken, the sensor will send a signal to the NodeMCU. The NodeMCU will compare that signal and identify if the seat is taken or not. If the seat is taken, NodeMCU will update the booked seat number, available seat number, and display the data on LCD, as well as it will transfer the same data simultaneously on cloud. The cloud will transfer that data to the mobile application. As the data is displayed on the mobile application, the user can easily access the information or access or see how many number of seats are available or booked in a vehicle or public transport. Hopefully you understood the project. Related videos link will be in our description. Thank you.